Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today is day 13 of Vlogmas, and today I am testing out some Minteye colour contact lenses. So these ones here come in this absolutely stunningly packaged box. I think this is beautiful, really nice. And then inside I have 4 pairs of lenses to try. So each pair of lenses comes in this stunningly iridescent box. I love this packaging, I think it's beautiful. They all last up to a year if looked after correctly, i.e. in the solution. The solution you can buy in the UK from places like Home Bargains and B&M for around £2 for a big bottle. And yeah, I'd actually recommend that. It's actually a really nice saline solution. And I got the colours brown haze bloom, brown sweet, blue iris and blue grey bloom. So we're going to give these a whirl. All of the lenses I got today are prescription free, however you can get them in your prescription if required. So without messing about, I'm just going to go straight ahead and try them on and we'll see what they're like. So this is the first pair, they're blue iris. And they come in a blister packet like this, so nice and hygienic. This is how they look. And this is them on. I love these. Absolutely love them. I've been looking for a really nice blue pair for so long, and these are a lovely deep blue. Yeah, super comfy as well. And these are the blue grey bloom. They look like they're going to be a little bit paler than the other ones. I reckon these are going to be quite nice actually. Yeah, so this is them on. Again, really, really comfortable. You can barely tell that I've got them on, if I'm honest. I really, really like them. Yeah, really nice. And then we have the brown sweet. So these actually look a little bit yellowy in the package, and obviously when they're out. But I find that the brown ones do. So this is them on. Yeah, really like these as well. I think these are so nice. Super comfortable as well. And you can't see the rim around them at all. And then lastly, we have brown haze bloom. So these, you can't really see them, to be honest, when they're not in the eye. I didn't think they were going to be that much impact, but they do. They're really nice. So they blend with my natural blue eyes really well. And yeah, I really like them. I think they're really nice. They look nice with the green eyeshadow as well. Yeah, I'm a fan of these. Yeah, so I have to say that I think these are probably the best colour contacts that I've ever tried. They are so comfortable. I was actually really shocked at how comfortable they were. Normally, when I put them in, I can feel them a little bit. They might feel a little bit gritty. You know, you have to blink a few times and adjust to the light and everything. These ones straight in, didn't even know they were there. They were so comfortable, and I really like the colour of them as well. They were really quite natural looking, and those blue ones, definitely my favourite. So if you are interested in trying these out for yourself, then I do have a 20% off discount code, which is Claire. I'll pop it here and I'll pop the link in the description box below for you as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.